In today's digital age, the potential to make money using Google and various free tools is more accessible than ever, with opportunities to earn over $1,000 without any upfront investment. By leveraging resources like Google Ads, Google Analytics, and other free platforms, individuals can create income streams that require minimal financial risk. Taking control of your finances is crucial. It empowers you to make informed decisions and explore innovative ways to generate revenue. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-fledged online business, the tools are at your fingertips. We encourage you to engage with this content by liking and subscribing, as it not only supports our channel, but also keeps you updated on valuable insights and strategies to maximize your earning potential. To effectively generate local business categories using Chat GPT, start by asking the AI for suggestions on profitable business categories tailored to your area. This can help you identify niches that have potential for growth. When selecting these businesses, it's crucial to focus on those with low ratings, as they often indicate unmet needs in the market. By targeting these opportunities, you can position yourself to provide valuable services that can improve customer experiences. Once you have your list of potential business categories, organize your leads in a Google document. This will not only help you keep track of your ideas, but also allow for easy access and updates as you refine your strategy. By following these steps, you can leverage Chat GPT to uncover lucrative local business opportunities and set yourself up for success in your entrepreneurial journey. To find businesses that need assistance with their online presence, start by searching for local businesses on Google Maps. This platform provides a wealth of information about various establishments in your area. As you browse, focus on businesses that have ratings below 4.5 stars. These are often indicators of customer dissatisfaction and may benefit from improved online visibility and engagement. Once you've identified potential candidates, take the time to visit their websites. This will not only give you insight into their current online presence, but also provide you with essential contact information. By reaching out to these businesses, you can offer your services to help enhance their digital footprint, whether through website optimization, social media management, or online marketing strategies. This proactive approach can lead to fruitful collaborations and help local businesses thrive in the competitive online landscape. If you're enjoying this content so far, then give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video uploads. Back to the video. Joining Fiverr's affiliate program is a great way to earn money by referring businesses to talented freelancers. One of the key benefits of this program is that you can help businesses find the right services while earning commissions for each successful referral. Fiverr offers a competitive commission structure, allowing you to earn up to $150 for every new buyer you refer, depending on the service purchased. To get started, visit the Fiverr affiliate program page and click on the Join Now button. You'll need to create an account, providing your basic information and payment details. Once registered, you can access a variety of marketing materials and unique referral links to promote Fiverr's services. Share these links through your website, blog, or social media platforms to attract potential buyers. By following these steps, you can effectively monetize your network while helping businesses connect with skilled freelancers. Creating effective outreach emails is essential for engaging your audience and driving results. Start by utilizing Chat GPT to generate tailored email templates that suit your specific goals and target audience. This AI tool can help you craft compelling messages that resonate with recipients. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of personalization in your emails. Addressing recipients by their names and referencing their businesses or interests can significantly increase your chances of a positive response. Additionally, consider embedding affiliate links within the email content. This not only provides value to your readers by directing them to relevant resources, but also allows you to earn commissions on any resulting sales. By combining personalized messaging with strategically placed affiliate links, you can create outreach emails that are not only engaging but also effective in driving conversions. Remember, the key is to connect authentically while providing valuable information to your audience. Creating targeted affiliate links on Fiverr is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. Begin by navigating to the Marketing Tools section of your Fiverr affiliate dashboard. Here, you'll find options to generate customized links tailored to specific services or freelancers. Emphasizing the importance of these customized links is crucial, as they allow you to direct potential buyers to the exact services they need, increasing the likelihood of conversions. For instance, if you're promoting graphic design services, create a link that leads directly to that category. Once you've generated your targeted links, be sure to save them in an organized manner for easy access. Sharing these links effectively across your website, social media platforms, or email campaigns can maximize your outreach and potential earnings. By following these steps, you can create a more focused marketing strategy that drives traffic and boosts your affiliate commissions on Fiverr. Leveraging Medium for affiliate marketing can be a highly effective strategy, thanks to its strong domain authority, which helps your content reach a wider audience. By publishing articles on Medium, you can tap into an established platform that attracts millions of readers, increasing the visibility of your affiliate links. To maximize your success, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers while seamlessly integrating your affiliate links. This approach not only enhances user experience, but also encourages readers to engage with your recommendations. Additionally, consider using Chat GPT to generate blog post ideas tailored to your niche. This AI tool can help you brainstorm topics that resonate with your target audience, ensuring your content remains relevant and engaging. By combining the power of Medium's platform with well-crafted articles and strategic affiliate links, you can effectively boost your affiliate marketing efforts and drive conversions. Reaching out to potential business leads is a crucial step in building valuable connections. Start by locating business contact information through platforms like LinkedIn, company websites, or industry directories. Once you have the necessary details, craft a clear and professional email that introduces yourself and outlines the value you can provide. A well-structured email should include a compelling subject line, a personalized greeting, and a concise message that highlights your purpose and benefits to the recipient. Emphasizing professionalism in your communication can significantly enhance your credibility. After sending your emails, it's essential to track them and monitor responses. Use a simple spreadsheet or a CRM tool to log the dates you sent emails, the recipients, and any replies you receive. This organization will help you manage follow-ups effectively, ensuring you stay engaged with potential leads and maximize your chances of converting them into clients. Monetizing content with Google AdSense is an excellent way for creators to generate revenue from their online platforms. AdSense connects creators with advertisers, allowing you to display relevant ads on your website or blog. When visitors click on these ads, you earn a commission, creating a potential stream of passive income. This means that once you set up your ads, you can continue to earn money as long as your content attracts traffic. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to focus on creating engaging and high-quality content that resonates with your audience. The more valuable and interesting your content is, the more likely it is to attract visitors, which in turn increases the chances of ad clicks. By consistently producing compelling material and optimizing your site for search engines, you can effectively leverage Google AdSense to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Leave your comment below with which strategy you're going to start with. We've explored several effective strategies for generating income, including leveraging Google and free tools, utilizing Fiverr's affiliate program, creating targeted affiliate links, and monetizing content with Google AdSense. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities to earn money online, whether through affiliate marketing, outreach, or ad placements. Now is the time to take action. Start implementing these strategies today to unlock your earning potential. Remember, success comes from consistent effort and engagement with your audience. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us continue to provide quality content and empowers you to stay updated on future strategies for financial growth. Let's embark on this journey together and turn your ideas into income.